Welcome to Skin Laser Science. Today, in the 6th episode of our skincare ingredients series, we're exploring a powerhouse moisturizing and repairing ingredient, D-Panthenol, also known as Provitamin B5. Whether you're new to this versatile vitamin or want to understand how it can enhance your skin's health, this episode will cover everything you need to know about D-Panthenol's benefits, how it works, and how to use it effectively. D-Panthenol is a stable alcohol form of vitamin B5, pantothenic acid, that penetrates deeply into the skin and converts into pantothenic acid once absorbed. This essential nutrient plays a crucial role in skin cell regeneration, hydration, and repair, making it a favorite ingredient in many skincare formulations. One of D-Panthenol's standout benefits is its exceptional moisturizing ability. It acts as a humectant, attracting and retaining water in the skin's outer layers, which helps improve skin softness, elasticity, and overall hydration. This makes it particularly beneficial for dry, dehydrated, or sensitive skin types. Beyond hydration, D-Panthenol supports skin barrier function by forming a protective layer that locks in moisture and prevents transepidermal water loss, TEC. This barrier reinforcement helps the skin resist environmental stresses such as pollution, harsh weather, and irritants, making your skin more resilient. D-Panthenol also accelerates skin healing and regeneration. It promotes cell growth and multiplication, which aids in repairing damaged skin, soothing irritation, and reducing redness. This makes it an excellent ingredient for calming sensitive or inflamed skin, as well as for post-sun care or healing minor wounds and abrasions. Additionally, D-Panthenol has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce skin discomfort and redness, making it ideal for conditions like eczema or rosacea. It also helps improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by maintaining skin hydration and elasticity, contributing to a more youthful and radiant complexion. This ingredient is well tolerated by all skin types, including sensitive and irritation-prone skin, and is commonly found in creams, serums, masks, lip balms, and even hair care products due to its hydrating and soothing effects. To incorporate D-Panthenol into your routine, look for products containing it as a key ingredient. Apply after cleansing, and for best results, use it regularly to support hydration, repair, and skin barrier health. It's safe for daily use and can be layered with other actives like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and antioxidants. In summary, D-Panthenol, Provitamin B5, is a versatile, hydrating, and reparative ingredient that strengthens your skin's barrier, soothes irritation, and promotes healthy, radiant skin. Whether you have dry, sensitive, or damaged skin, adding D-Panthenol to your skincare routine can make a significant difference. Thanks for watching this episode of Skin Laser Science. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share your questions or favorite D-Panthenol products in the comments below. Take care of your skin and see you next time.